The court takes notice that Louis Dongmo was served October 25th, 2024 in Oklahoma and has not filed an answer. We also did order for parentage testing in a prior hearing. Ms. Attivi, go ahead and proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. This is a petition to establish the parent-child relationship, and it's a default, and I'd like to call Ms. Minstopp at this time. Ms. Minstopp, can you please state your full name?
Yes, Estelle Leticia Minstopp.
Can you state the name and age of your child?
Her full name, Kemo Minstopp Kamala Aubrey.
When you were here last time, on the 3rd of February, 2025, were you and the father ordered to take a DNA test?
Yes.
And you and the child tested?
They said him and her. They told me him and her I was supposed to take her, but he called me and he told me he doesn't need it, that he knows that's his daughter.
Okay, but the child tested?
To be my daughter?
No.
Who went to the DNA test? That's what we're asking.
Oh, nobody went to the DNA test.
And but the father was ordered on the 3rd of February to take a DNA test. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Your Honor, may I share my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, Ms. Minstopp, the father was ordered to test on March 6, 2025, June 5th, 2025, and June 25th, 2025. Do you see that here?
Yes.
And he failed to appear. Is that your understanding?
Yes.
Okay. Your Honor, may I stop sharing my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
He
Your
told me
Honor,
he was not going, so.
Okay. Your Honor, may I submit the confirmation of non-collections as State's Exhibit A?
Yes, ma'am. State Exhibit A is submitted.
Thank you, Your Honor. Is there anyone who is the father of your child?
No.
Who is the father of your child?
Dongmo, Louise.
Is there anyone else who can be the father of your child?
No.
Are you asking that are you asking that the court establish him as the father today?
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Has there been acts of family violence between the two of you in the last 2 years?
No.
Do you have any safety concerns if your address and phone number are put in today's court order?
No.
Okay. Where does the father live?
In Oklahoma.
Are you asking to be named sole managing conservator today?
What does that mean?
That means that you'll be the person to make the decisions for the child, educational, medical, by yourself.
Yes.
Okay. And you're asking not to have a geographic restriction since the father lives so far away, is that correct?
Correct.
Are you in agreement for the father to have the state standard possession for over 100 miles?
What does that mean?
That means he can visit with your daughter once a month for the weekends, Friday 6 p.m. to Sunday 6 p.m.?
Yes.
How is your child covered for insurance?
Currently she has Medicaid. I used to pay, but I don't. Now I have Medicaid.
Okay. Ms. Minstopp, is it your belief that the father makes about $5,000 a month?
Yes, he personally told me.
You said he told you that?
Yes.
Okay. And what kind of jobs does he do?
He had at the time that I know that he told me he had 2 jobs, and one was border patrol, and the other one was nurse aide,
In
health.
Oklahoma.
Yes.
Okay. Do you know if he has any other minor children?
No.
Based on a gross income of $5,000 a month, the state's asking for child support to be set at $799 a month, beginning November 1st, 2025. Do you agree to that amount?
Yes.
We're also asking for cash medical to be repaid at $200 a month, beginning November 1st, 2025. Do you agree to that?
Yes.
You're asking for retroactive child support for the last 4 years.
Yes.
The state calculated that amount to be $38,352. Has the father given you any kind of financial assistance in the last 4 years?
Yes.
And the amount you stated was about $6,600.
Mm-hmm.
Are you in agreement for a judgment of $31,752 as of October 14th, 2025?
Yes.
And for the father to repay that amount at $209 a month, beginning November 1st, 2025?
Yes.
Okay. And you understand there's no request for retroactive medical support
Mm-hmm.
and no request for retroactive dental support?
What does that mean?
There's no request for him to pay retroactive dental support.
Okay. Fine.
We're asking that court costs be billed to the father today. Are you in agreement to that?
Yes.
I pass the witness, Your Honor.
Our default judgment granted as requested. The Attorney General's office will put that in writing for me to sign as a court order. They'll try to send out withholding orders if they can find his employer. You are done with court. You can press leave on the Zoom to exit out. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
So we are here today for a modification and confirmation of arrears, and we do have a full agreement, and I'll read those agreements into the record. The parties agree that the child is to be added to Mr. Nadiri's health insurance and dental insurance. Parties are in agreement that Mr. Nadiri has no other minor children, that he has a gross income of $4,000 and a net income of $3,179. Parties are in agreement for child support to be set at $636 beginning November 1st, 2025. Parties are in agreement to confirm arrears of $7,041.55 as of September 30th, 2025 to be repaid at $90 a month, also beginning on November 1st, 2025. Parties stipulate that there have been no family violence in the past 2 years, and parties agree that there is no need for a non-disclosure for either their address or phone number, and parties agree that court costs are to be billed to Mr. Nadiri.
Okay, you said child support was 636, correct?
Child support, yes.
Okay, go ahead and call the parties.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. Yes, I'd like to call the parties now. Mr. Nadiri, can you please state your full name for the record?
Name is Frank Motukundere.
Please state the name and age of your child or children.
Gracine Derry, 16 years old.
Did you hear the agreements that I read into the record today?
Yes,
And are these still your agreements?
yes, ma'am.
And do you believe that these agreements are in the best interest of your child?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to accept the terms of your agreement today?
Yes, ma'am.
No further questions, Your Honor. I pass the witness. So, ma'am, please state your full name for the record.
Joyce Kerupo Marube.
And did you hear all of the agreements that were read into the record?
Yes, ma'am.
And are these still your agreements?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you believe these agreements are in the best interest of your child?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to accept the terms of your agreement today?
Yes, ma'am.
No further question, Your Honor. I pass this witness.
Okay, thank you for reaching an agreement. I will approve that, make that the order of the court. The Attorney General's office is going to put that in writing for me to sign as a court order, and then they'll send out new withholding orders to adjust it to these amounts. Y'all are done with court. You can press leave on the Zoom to exit out. Thank you.
Thanks, Your
Thank you,
Honor.
Your Honor.
Thank you.
I'll read the agreements and take testimony. Parties stipulate that they currently live together. There is a validly executed acknowledgement of paternity for the child Leilani. Parties stipulate that there's been no acts of family violence in the last 2 years. The parties stipulate that the child is currently receiving the government medical plan. Father has no other minor children. Father's gross income is $2,400 a month with the net resources of $2,105.78. Father is in agreement to pay cash medical of $216 a month beginning November 1st, 2025. States asking for no orders for conservatorship nor possession and access as the parties are currently cohabitating. Court costs billed to the father today. Ms. Marziller, Mr. Marzillier, can you please, I'm sorry, did you hear the terms that I read today?
Yes, ma'am.
Are those still your agreements?
Yes, ma'am.
And when you have the child Leilani, you did sign an acknowledgement of paternity stating that you're her father?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you believe that the terms that I read out are in your child's best interests?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to accept the terms today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna pass the witness and recall Ms. Munn. Ms. Munn, did you hear the terms that I read as your agreements?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're still living with Mr. Marzillier, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you believe that the terms are in your child's best interests?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to accept these terms today?
Yes, ma'am.
I pass the witness, Your Honor.
All right, I will approve the agreement y'all have made today. The Attorney General's office put that in writing in a court order for me to sign, and then they will email you a copy. You are done with court. You can press leave on the Zoom to exit out. Thank you.
Thank you.